happening, everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be reviewing them two machines, 1/64 scale 1970 Chevy C60 cargo carrier truck, and it comes with a 1970 Camaro SS 396. I've been wanting to take one of these out of the box for a long time and take a look at one closer. This box is pretty well banged up, had a lot of shelf wear, so I felt kind of bad for it, and I thought, well, I'll take it home. No one else wants it. I've seen it at the store a long time. I love the colors. So let's go ahead here and take a look at this. It's in like an odd ochre color. We'll go ahead here and someone looks like they were already messing with it there. It's already kind of screwed up. I love the box. The box looks great. I love that. Very elegant and retro. I had never seen one of these before. I mean, I've seen them, but I've never actually purchased one and taken one out of the box and got to handle it. Nice big display case it comes in. Just got to be careful not to break those little tabs on the ends there. I love this. It's such an unusual color. It's actually got metal flake in, or silica, I should say, in this color. It's like an ochre color. It's really unusual. Almost like a military tan color. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and I'm going to remove this off of here, and we'll come back and we'll come back and check it out. I think these are pretty impressive for the money. I think this was $17 or $17.97. I think something about around $18. It does come with two ramps for the back of the carrier. The Camaro was screwed on. It's screwed on in the inside there, and for whatever reason has a pretty nasty chip out of the rear fender there, which is pretty sad. Kind of bummed out about that, and the one little bumper already fell off, so I'll have to fix that, but it's pretty detailed. I'm pretty sure the hood's open on these. I could not get it open, and I don't really want to scratch it up trying to get it open. I tried to put a thin X-Acto knife blade in from underneath, and I tried all different methods to get that open, so we'll take a closer look at that there then. Let's play with the truck first. So this back flips up. I actually thought it was broke. Well, it is actually broke on the one side here. The one support beam is actually busted through. So I don't know. The case isn't busted at all, so I don't know what the deal is, if it happened during manufacturing process or what, but very detailed. The truck itself is really impressive. I had never got one of these out of the box before. I always wanted to. It is all over metal with plastic rims and rubber tires. details on these are just amazing, I think, for the money. They really are. quite impressive. I don't know how they can do all these do all this and sell for $18, to be honest with you. I guess on the backs of people making 20 cents an hour wages, I guess. Pretty sad. Anywho, come around to the back here. The ramps on my turntable, this is even my larger one, this doesn't exactly fit very well, so maybe we can take it off the truck. And so the ramps would just snap on the back here. You'd just barely be clearing the I guess that's why they put this up. I was kind of wondering about that. Why is that? Okay, there it goes. I was say it wasn't going to. Thinking it wasn't going to go up. Pretty cool. This is kind of wonky here, the way this all fits together, but like I said, the one this side, the brace on the other side is busted. The Camaro itself is pretty impressive. It's got these jewel type of plastic lenses in the back that really look reflective. Just beautiful in person. I have no idea how they can make these and sell them for what they're selling them for. I like the black steel wheels. Looks really aggressive on this with the orange. This would be Hugger orange. But like I said, one of the bumperettes fell off there. I have to see if I can get that super glued back on. You know, the little Camaro logo here on the back. My neighbor kid, when I was growing up, had a 72, I believe it was, which I think was the last year for the twin bumpers. I think that's what his was. This is probably one of my favorite Camaros besides the 69. Really cool. This one's all over metal. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, the bottom of this, I'm sorry, the bottom of this is plastic. I thought this was all over metal. Plastic with skinny, very skinny rubber tires. The only thing that looks odd to me is these sills. The door, how thick that is there. It looks, you have to see it in person, but it looks really odd. It's like, that looks strange. The doors are really chunky on these cars in person, because I know my brother's a 78 TA and they are immense, the doors, but it looks a little weird to me there. But I wish I could get this hood open so we could all take a look at it, because I'm pretty sure this has motor detail, but maybe not since it was thrown in the back here, but I don't know. Interior actually looks pretty decent. Steering wheel's pushed way up against the windshield, but I think for the cost of these, they're pretty amazing. I love that pink color. I know it's probably why it sat on the shelf for so long. I think it's just kind of a off-putting color to most people, but I like it. It's like a tannish military green. It's really unusual. All right, so there you go. It's just a quick look at M2's. What do they actually call this series? I don't even know what they call this. $5,800 or 5,980 pieces. The haul M2 haulers, I guess, is the auto haulers is actually what that is. But I always wanted to review one of these. I just never got around to it. So there you go, just a quick look at the 1970 Chevrolet C60 truck hauler and a 1970 Chevy Camaro SS396 that it comes with. So pretty cool. I don't know if I'd recommend these for little kids or anything. I don't think it would last long. It seems pretty fragile. It'd probably break in no time. So thanks for checking it out. If you like this type of video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.